Hey y'all, it's Dawn, and I'm so glad you're back. I've got another fun, budget-friendly DIY video for you today. I will show you how to make a mini garland perfect for your tier tray. The first thing is to paint your beads. I decided to use the colors I associate with Christmas, red, white, and black, using spray paint. I used a piece of Dollar Tree twine as my string and began stringing my beads. Once the garland was at the length I wanted, I created a cute tassel for the end of the garland. I used some lace ribbon from Dollar Tree, some wired ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and some of the twine I used to create the garland. I cut all of the string to the length I wanted for the tassel. Since the buffalo ribbon was a little larger than the rest, I cut it down to about the same width as the lace ribbon. I used 3 pieces of each ribbon and layered them on top of each other. I used more twine and wrapped it around the top of the tassel. Tied a double knot to start and left the end of the knot at the top of the tassel. Wrap the twine around the top of the tassel several times. Tied another knot. Attach the tassel to the garland. Trimmed it up, and then added a dab of hot glue. I'm attaching the tassel to the garland by tying it with the tail of the string I had left out. I then added a dab of hot glue to the top of the tassel. I tied a simple double knot at the other end so the beads wouldn't roll off. I wanted more of a tattered look, so I began stripping some of the pieces off of the buffalo ribbon to give it a fringed appearance. I did leave one of the buffalo ribbons alone. I think this garland turned out so stinking cute. Let me know what you think in the comments. I found these little square wood signs at Hobby Lobby. I love using these to make tier tray signs. The first thing I did was tape off the inside of the sign with painter's tape and stain the frame with Waverly antiquing wax. I then taped off the frame with painter's tape and painted the inside of the frame with Folk Art Imperial Red chalk paint. Once the paint was dry, I removed the tape. I found this cut file on Design Bundles, sized it down in Design Space, and applied it to the center of the frame. You'll find a link to Design Bundles in the description. They have some great cut files at really inexpensive prices, so be sure to check them out. And just look at how stinking cute this little tier tray wood sign is. Let me know what you think in the comments. I found this little sleigh at Dollar Tree and wanted to change it up a little. After removing the tag and florals attached to it, I painted it with Waverly ink chalk paint. This will be my base coat. I then created a faux galvanized metal look by using folk art pearl white and gunmetal gray metallic paint and brushed black brushed metal paint. I used a Dollar Tree makeup sponge and a clothespin to apply the paint. I dipped the makeup sponge into the paint and dabbed it onto the sleigh. I continued doing this until I was happy with the way the sleigh looked. To finish the sleigh, I placed various pieces of Dollar Tree Christmas picks inside of the sleigh. I didn't glue them, so if I decide to put something else in it, I can. I think the little sleigh is so cute and looks amazing on this tiara tray from Target. Let me know in the comments what you think. I used some Dollar Tree wire ornament to make some adorable tiara tray Christmas trees. I removed the bell at the bottom using a pair of jewelry pliers, and I also removed the star from the top. I suggest leaving the star on because I wind up at the end hot gluing the star back on. I used my drill and a large bit to drill holes in a couple of the little wood pieces from Dollar Tree. I didn't drill all the way through the wood, just enough to add the tree and some hot glue. It took some work, but I finally was able to get the little round end off of the bottom of the tree. It was tough, and I just had to keep moving the pliers back and forth until it finally broke. I added hot glue to the hole I had drilled into the wood and placed the end of the metal tree. I held it until the glue had set up enough to hold it itself. I wanted to make sure it would stand up straight. Now for the second tree. I used the screw gun again and drilled a hole the same way I did the first time. I made sure the bottom of the tree fit into the hole before using hot glue. Glad I did because I had to drill the hole a little bit more. I added the hot glue and held the tree like I did before. I then hot glued the stars back onto the tree, so I would recommend not taking them off to start with. I pulled on the wire limbs of the tree until the trees began to look something like what I was wanting. And oh my, they look so adorable on a Christmas tiara tray. Let me know what you think in the comments. I found a couple of these wood eggs at Hobby Lobby. When I saw them, the first thing I thought of was a gnome. I applied Waverly antiquing wax to the wooden egg and wiped it with a paper towel. I used this faux fur ribbon, also from Hobby Lobby, for the gnome's beard. I cut it to size and then shaped it into the beard. And let me tell you, this faux fur sheds when you cut it, but it's well worth it. I applied the beard using hot glue. I got this sweater from Goodwill, and I'd already cut it up. I found a section that would work for the gnome's hat and put it together with more hot glue. I placed the hat on his head and used a 12mm natural wood bead for his nose. I decided to give him some arms. I cut another section from the sweater, rolled it up, and applied hot glue down the seam. I wrapped the arms around his back and glued them into place. I wanted my little gnome to hold something. I had picked up these little Christmas trees, so I just hot glued one of them into his hands. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Happy crafting!